Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Gurumurthy, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government Postgrad College, Magudi. Today I am preparing this video, Workouts Problems on Goods and Services. In this case, transactions value and calculation of GST. Let's begin with the format of calculating transaction value and GST. Price of goods supplies should be excluding GST. If including GST, convert into excluding price of the goods. How to convert? Simple equations. The price divided by 100 plus GST into 100. Example, the price of the goods include GST 8,500. The GST is 18%. Therefore, 100 plus 18, 118 denominator into 100, 7,203 or 7,200 the price of goods. Plus charges separately not included in the above price. Example, packing charges, insurance, transportations, installations, designing and engineering, pre-delivery charges, subsidy from NGOs, then freight charges, selling expenses, etc. All these charges are separately incurred for smooth flow of goods or transactions within the between the state or within the state. All such expenses should be added to the price. Then cash discount on regular basis should be subtracted. However, advance discount that should be included. The logic behind this, if the dealer demand advance for the goods before delivering and there is an agreement or negotiation between the dealer and the buyer, if you paid the advance, then I will give the discount to the certain extent. For example, the value of the goods is known as 2000. The dealer asked to pay advance 1000 rupees. At the time of that, dealer issued a receipt voucher, not invoice, 1000 rupees. Then after 15 days or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, the goods delivered. The buyer pays not 1000 rupees. Therefore, there is an agreement between at the time of taking delivery, the buyer has to pay 800 rupees only, not 1000, because 200 rupees advance on discount on advance. Therefore, that 200 should be added because it is a part of the invoice. Hence, advance discount should be added. Advance given, it is not a invoice, it is a receipt voucher. Then whatever the penalty for delay in making payment by the buyer is more than 180 days, that should be included. If it is more than 180 days, then only penalty in seller have the right to charge penalties. Total transactions value. Once a certain transactions value can add GST. If the goods movement within the state, SGST and CGST. The goods movement between the state, IGST will be applicable. This is the format. Let us discuss one by one. Mr. Shankar, dealer in Bangalore, entered a contract with suppliers in Mysore to deliver machine along with essential accessories. From the following, determine GST payable. Price of machinery, excluding GST, 6 lakhs. Installations and erection expenses, installation expenses, 46,000. Packing charges separately, 4,000. Designing and engineering charges, 55,000. Pre-delivery inspection charges, 6,000. Rate of GST on machinery, 18%. Cash discount, 25,000 was allowed as per the normal trade practice terms of the contract. since full payment was received before dispatch of machinery. The mission supplied along with accessories rupees 10,000 and the rate of duty applicable to these accessories 28%. Please make a note of this. The accessories supplied along with the machinery is necessary. Necessary means it is a principal supply. I given an example. Necessary is a blended relationship between the two or more products. Two or more products. Here is machinery in one product. Some other accessories, maybe packing and whatever that is a item. It is a necessary along with the machinery. Without this, some cables, some kind of cables, joints, whatever that is, without which the machinery cannot work independently. If the machinery work, these accessories is necessary. Then pipes is necessary, or even some kind of a packing is necessary. It is a mandatory. If there is a mandatory, it is called known as or blended relations. It is known as principal supply. Under these cases, now which tax rate should be taken into account for calculating GST? Under principal relations, if it is a found necessaries, blended relations, that main product rate of tax is will be applicable. The main product tax is known as machinery. The machinery rate is 18%. 18% GST will be applicable. However, this movement of goods within the state, now two GST rates is applicable, CGST and SGST. Two in the sense as known as the model itself two. One is central government, another one is state government. Let us example. Price of the goods 6 lakhs, charges separately, installations, packing, designing and pre-delivery charges. Then bought necessary items also include. Total is 1,21,000. It is separate charges included, comes to 7,21,000. From 7,21,000, now it is a trade practice. Cash discount is there. That should be discount less 25,000, comes to 6,96,000. 6,96,000. The goods movement within the state, you calculate GST, SGST and CGST at the rate of 18%. 18 divided by 2 means 9. 9% CGST, 9% SGST, 62,640, 62,640 total, 1,25,280. Total comes to invoice 8,21,280. Then come to example 2. Mr. Uday, dealer in Delhi, entered a contract with suppliers in Mysore. Here is Mysore is one, Delhi is one. Between the state, the between the state known as only one that is called IGST will be applicable, remaining the same whatever the problem we have discussed in the previous. Same 6 lakhs, 1,21,000 consists of 46,000, 4,000, 55,000, 6,000 and 10,000 for installations, packing, other charges. Total 7,20,000. Cash discount is direct 6,96,000. Of course, it is a goods movement from Delhi to Mysore or Mysore to Delhi, whatever may be the cases. It is between the state. IGST will be applicable 18%. Directly you can take 6,96,000 into 18 by 100, 1,25,800. 280, total 8,21,280 is the invoice. Then he is a Sri Hari or Mr. Hari, dealer in Bangalore, entered a contract with the suppliers in Mysore to deliver missions along with essential accessories. Now Bangalore to Mysore within the state of Karnataka. Now price is 6 lakhs, installations everything is there, even that is optional 20. Okay, everything is there within the state same. It is there is but here is known as accessories is given at the end known as optional, not necessary. Be careful that even though there is a necessary, but at the optional, at the request may or may not, without which buyer may arrange their own arrangements, make their own arrangements, not necessary. Please supply along with the necessary. Under such cases, what should be the now how to calculate GST? Under such cases, in that optional are there, it is called known as mixed supply. One is machinery, along with the accessories. But accessories is not a blended. Accessories is not a necessaries. Accessories only an optional. Under optional cases, therefore, the GST rate is which is the highest rate will be taken into account. Of course, in this case, 18% is the machinery and optional is accessories is 28%. Which rate should be taken into account for calculating GST? Now 28% should be taken into account because it is a mixed supply. Accessories not necessary, it is optional, it is a mixed supply. If there is a mixed supply, the highest rate will be applicable. Let us examine one by one. Now price of the goods 6 lakhs, then charges are given accordingly, total 1 lakh 21 it comes, installations, packing, designing, pre-delivery and what necessaries. It is a necessary, but it is an optional from the point of view of the seller, not in it is a necessary, that is not a blended relations. We very clear and underline this. Under such cases is known as 25,000 cash discount, 6,86,000 is there, though it is a necessary accessories, but it is an optional from the point of view of the seller. May or may not, but the seller is sell machinery along with the accessories. Therefore, that highest rate will be applicable to 28% rate. In the 28%, 28 divided by 2, CGST and SGST 14% and 40%. The total invoice is known as 8,90,880. Similarly, how do you arrive at the transactions value for the purpose levy GST and calculate GST payable from the following transactions? The selling price of the product, exclusive GST, very important, whether inclusive or exclusive should be underlined. It should always exclude. If it is include, converted into exclude. Okay, 10,000. Rate of GST applicable is 5%. Trade discount as per the normal practice is 1,200. Freight charges 750 from factory to buyer place, which is not included in the above selling price. This is very important. Not included. Very simple. 10,000. Then it is a selling price plus expenses which is excluded. 750 added come to 10,750. Now trade discount normal practice 1,200, it comes to 9,550. In that 9,550, it is a goods movement between within the state. Therefore, CGST is GST 5%. The GST will be applicable 5% divided by 2, 2.5 and 2.5 CGST and AGST 238.75, 238.75, total 476.5 comes to, it is a 10,026 or even 10,030 roundly approximate. It is invoice price is 10,026.5 or 30. This kind of the problem for 5 marks you could expect. Next, another example is a company manufacture 2,000 units of product and sold to a wholesaler at 200 per unit. Here is rupees 200 per unit. You have to calculate selling price 2,000 into 200. 10% trade discount is allowed the wholesaler as per the normal practice. What is the amount of GST payable? Applicable rate is 12%. Very simple. 200 into 2,000 comes to 4 lakhs. There is no any applicable charges. Therefore, total 4 lakhs. Of course, it is a 10% discount on 4 lakhs means 40,000. 3 lakhs 60,000. The goods movement within the state. Therefore, 12% divided by 2, CGST and SGST 21,600, 21,600 come to 43,200. Total comes to invoice is known as 3 lakh 60 plus 43,200, 4 lakh 3,200 is the invoice. Next example is known as relating to manufacturer has prepared the invoice under price of the goods excluding CGST 14% and SGST 14%. Therefore, it is known as total is 28%, 10 lakhs. The following items not included in the above price: advertisement 1 lakh 20, publicity charges 60,000, selling expenses 40, loading and handling charges 10,000, service charges 10,000, outward freight and insurance is known as 64,000, allowed discount 10% on the normal practice. Compute very simple. Now directly you can take 10 lakh Whatever the charges not included, it should be excluded only. You have to list out once again: advertisement charges, publicity, selling expenses, loading charges, servicing charges, outward freight. All the items you add up comes to 3 lakh 4,000. Comes to 13 lakhs 4,000. However, normal trade practice on sales, we make a note of it. On sales, not transactions value. On sales is known as 10 lakhs, come to 1 lakh, discount come 1 lakh 20,400. If the 1 lakh 20,400 is a transactions value, now it is a GST payable, can calculate the movement of the goods within the state, therefore CGST and SGST will be applicable. And they are given separately 14%, 14%. If you don't, once again divided by 2. If given, take accordingly. If only 28% is given, divided by 2. Because you know the basic GST rate 0%, 5%, then 12%, 18% and 28%. There are only 5 rates are there. Hence, it is comes to 14%. It 1,68,560, 1,68,560 CGST and HGST come to 3,37,120. The total price is 1,54,000, 15 lakhs 41,120 is the invoice. Example 7. Determine the total amount of GST payable on emission using the details given below. Selling price includes 2,95,000. Then cost of durable returnable package including design and development charges paid on behalf of the seller, warranty charges. Very good questions. Here is 2,95,000 which include GST. At what percent? CGST 9, SGST 9. 9 plus 9, 18% include. Hence 2,95,000 divided by 100 plus 18, 118 into 100. It comes to 2,50,000. Then charges separately, not including the above. However, cost of durable and returnable package included in the selling price. Once again, no need to add. It already included. Therefore, only design and development charges 12,000 rupees, warranty charges 4,000 extra warranty. Therefore, 16,000, 2,66,000. Therefore, it is a less cost of which is included, that should be excluded. That 10,000 should be excluded. It comes to 2,56,000 transactions value. That transactions value goods movement within the state, CGST and AGST will applicable. Hence it is a 446,080. Therefore 2,56,000 plus 46,080, 3,02,080 is known as invoice. Example 8. Example 8 onwards will be continue in our next video. Thank you.